An Avalanche slide shows that the price of AX is likely to change between $69 and $113.51 by 2030. Analysts of the market say that by 2025, the price of accepted AX could hit 46.74 cents. Bearish in 2023, an Avalanche slide is thought to cost $10.68. AX presentation collapse slide. Avalanche slide was made to solve the problems that Ethereum had with adaptability and trading speed. It is one of the few unusual blockchain platforms that thinks about both really decentralized apps and private blockchain networks. It is a good choice because it can trade up to 6,500 times per second. Avalanche Slide, a platform that competes with Ethereum, was started by 3 Cornell College PhDs. The group did study that led to the Avalanche Slide convention while they were at Cornell. The group agrees that they have found a way to solve the blockchain trilemma, which is how to make the system flexible, secure, and decentralized at the same time. What's it? AX Avalanche Slide. Avalanche Slide is a Layer 1 blockchain that helps build private blockchain networks and distributed apps. One of Ethereum's competitors wants to take over as the most popular blockchain for savvy contracts while keeping its flexibility. It plans to do this by having a higher exchange rate of up to 6,500 per second. First, the team behind the project is very skilled and has areas of strength for a record in the business. Second, the platform is always improving and adding new features that make it more appealing to customers. Third, some of the most well-known names in the crypto business are on Avalanche Slide SER4, which gives it a lot of visibility and trust. The Snowman agreement used by the Avalanche Slide network is based on the United Byzantine concept. FBA is a type of agreement calculation that takes into account contact between hubs and an organization that can't be trusted and doesn't happen at the same time. It can't be attacked by the public either, which makes it safer than other standards like proof of work power and state POS verification. Avalanche Slide also has a unique feature called virtual chains, which lets each hub in the company run its own blockchain independently of the others. This means that each hub can change its own settings and rules without affecting the rest of the company. This makes Avalanche Slide more flexible and adaptable than other blockchains, since each hub doesn't have to follow the rules of the whole company. AX current value. Avalanche Slide is worth $13.35 right now, and AX has moved 0.61 with a total of 150,609,501 trades. With a market value of $4,343,880,269, Avalanche Miner is now the 18th most valuable digital currency. Using the overall strength file RSI at moving weighted normal MWA Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity mapped from the above plan, we can figure out if this year will be positive or negative. Our cost estimates are based on the constant Avalanche Slide of AX market information. All of this information is updated live on our website, which lets us make cost estimates that change based on what's happening on the market. Predict an explosion of X value. Some people say that the 2023 Avalanche Slide is one of the coolest new digital forms of money this year. The price of Avax is expected to go up a lot in the second half of 2023. Possibly hitting $20.05. As with other digital types of money, the rise will happen quickly, but there shouldn't be any big drops. A cost average of 18.71 cents is very ambitious, but it is possible soon if everyone works together and things go as planned. At least $16.04 should be put on Avax. We expect that the price of Avax will soon go above 33.41 because of the possible declarations of several new groups and campaigns. Before making any positive predictions, we should wait to see if the Avax's general strength record comes out of the oversold zone. Anticipation of an avalanche of AX values. Bets that take into account how volatile the AX market is will swap with a base exchange rate of 26.73 and an average exchange rate of 29.40. If the pattern stays the same until 2025, it could hit 46.77, which could help Avax. But if the market goes down, it may not be possible to reach the goal. In 2025, Avax is projected to be worth between 40.9 cents and 42.76 cents on average. A flood of AX value and expectations 2026. Assuming that the Avalanche slide helps market opinion among people who like digital money, the price of an Avax coin could stay the same for the next 5 years. If our projections are correct, and AX will be green in 2026. The Avax is expected to hit and surpass its all-time high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be worth $60.14, with a starting price of $53.45 and an average price of $56.13. AX value expectation Avalanche slide 2027. After a lot of research and analysis, we think the Avax will cross a normal value level of 69.49 by 2027, with a base price of 66.82 expected by the end of the year, and Avax has a highest value of Avalanche slide of AX value prediction 2028, because we think a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price up to around 82.85. If Avax manages to break the safe level in 2028, the highest price could be 86.86. If Avax fails to meet the hope of AX needs by 2028, the lowest price could be 80.18 cents. While Avax is trying to make it easier for organizations to work together, the bullish trend from last year is likely to continue. Because of this, the base exchange cost has been set at 93.55, and the annual cost is expected to be close to 100.23 in 2029. Avalanche estimate for AX value in 2030. By 2030, Avalanche slide will finally do better than its earlier half values and set new cost thresholds. The price could start at 106.91 and go as high as 113.59, with an average of 109.58. A flood of AX worth expectations for 2031. The digital money market is typically unstable, which is one of the many reasons why cost hedging is hard to do. Even though every effort is made to accurately predict what costs will be in the future, not all predictions should be taken as financial advice. Anusha, in 2031, you will have to give your own test. We think that digital money will become more popular in many areas, so we think that the highest price of AXCON will be 130.96 in 2031 if there is a bull run, with an average price of 125.62 and Spider as a general rule. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000